If you recall, last week, a week ago today, we were talking about the potential for setting all-time record highs, and just a couple days later, a day and 2 days later, we did. This weekend, temperatures back near normal, but I will mention that those smoky skies are going to continue, which we can actually see on our ABC 10 News sky cams as we look towards the Homul this morning from San Miguel. It looks cloudy, but it's very smoky this morning. The smoke is high enough off the ground, though. It really shouldn't impact us too much. But if you smell smoke, you should limit your time outdoors. We're in the 60s for many areas, but a few 50s. 57 at the airport and Oceanside, 59 in Poway, 57 also in Ramona this morning. And high pressure is going to be building over the weekend, so the mountain and desert areas will warm up a little bit, but the marine layer is going to return, and that's going to help moderate temperatures for the coast and inland neighborhoods. That low pressure offshore is going to bring in a cool down for early next week. But before we get to that, we're all going to be warming up early next week. The sea breeze remains with us, so calmer winds and higher humidity will be the trend. And those smoky skies, at least with us through tomorrow, kind of depends on what the wind flow does from the north of us, those fires burning to the north of us, to determine if the smoke will linger into Sunday. Mostly 70s along our coastline through the weekend, with a few low 80s and then 80s early next week, while inland neighborhoods will be mostly in the 80s, a few low 90s today, mid 90s Monday and Tuesday, 90s stick around through Wednesday. The mountain areas will be back in the 80s this weekend, near 90 by Tuesday, and the desert areas temperatures back in the 100s today and nearing 110 early next week.